Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, here we go. Today we're making easy oven-baked meatballs. They're juicy, flavorful, and baked to perfection. No frying required. This classic Italian style meatball recipe is perfect for pasta or subs, or freezing them for later. Baking makes them cleaner, faster, and just as delicious. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make tender meatballs using a blend of beef, pork, and veal, plus simple pantry ingredients. Whether you're meal prepping or feeding a crowd, this is a reliable go-to recipe you'll want to keep. First, we're gonna preheat our oven to 425. Then we're gonna prepare our pan with parchment paper. Okay, we're gonna take a quarter of a yellow onion and very finely shred that. And very finely mince 4 cloves of garlic. And in a small bowl, we're going to mix the breadcrumbs and milk together and set those aside until the milk is fully absorbed. Now in a large bowl, we're going to add the beef, pork, veal, the grated onions, the garlic, the eggs, the Parmesan, Worcestershire seasonings, and the red pepper flakes. Now you can use any combination of beef, pork, and veal. You can use all beef, all pork, all veal, or a combination, however you like it. Now we're going to gently mix that together with our hands. Then add in the soaked breadcrumbs. Very gently mix those in with your hands until just combined. Do not overmix. Now using a cookie scoop, we're going to put those on the prepared pan. We're going to put those in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Then we're going to test those with our thermometer. Make sure they're at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to let those rest for 2 or 3 minutes before serving. So there you go. Oven-baked meatballs. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.